Right, so this is the lesson, right? So you can see now this first term, right? So the third lesson that is about the angles, right? So remember angle types. Remember the angle types. How many types? How many types?
5 times.
5 types. Okay, good. 5 types. Right. Now see what are the 5 types of angle, right? Right. So this is my angle. See, this is my angle. Okay, this is uh, two lines. This is the angle. So this type of angle, what is the name of this type?
Acute angle.
That is called acute angle, right? Acute angle, right? Then you learn this type, right? So this is a one arm, okay? This is another arm. Then this angle is what type?
Right angle.
That
Right
is
angle.
called right angle, right angle. Then this one, right? So this is my angle. This is what type?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle.
That is called obtuse angle, right? Obtuse angle, right? Then this is my angle. Okay, this is the angle. This is called
Straight angle.
this is
Straight
called
angle.
straight angle. This is called straight angle, right? Straight angle, right? Then last one is you learn this one. This is called
Reflex.
is
Reflex angle.
reflex angle. Reflex angle, right? So those are the 5 types of angle you learn, right? So remember, these are types, okay? Types of angle, right? Then you learn also this one. See, uh, how to classify angles, right? Type of angles using their magnitudes, right? Using their magnitudes. So that means angle you can tell using a number, right? Measure by a number. So that is magnitude of the angle, right? So now we are going to separate angles type, right? Using their magnitude, right? So that means how many degree, right? Angle measured unit is degree, right? So this is my angle, right? So how to tell? This is, type is acute angle, right? How to tell the magnitude? How to tell the magnitude? This is how to say, right? So this angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. So acute angle mean angle magnitude. This is the magnitude, right? So less than 90 degree. So angle should be less than 90 degree. So that is how to tell using the magnitude, right? Then this one, this type is right angle. How to tell the using magnitude? That is 90 degree. That is exactly 90 degree, right? 90 degree, that is called right angle, right? Then this obtuse angle. Obtuse angle mean angle greater than 90 degree. Okay, greater than 90 degree, but that should be less than 180 degree, right? So this is angle between 90 degree and 180 degree, that is called the obtuse angle, right? Then, yes.
Right angle එකේ tute එකේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ 135 නේ.
No, don't go to the tube yet, right? Just wait. Make a hagamu, right? Right. Now this one. This is straight angle. What is the magnitude? What is the magnitude? 180 degree. 180 degree. So straight angle magnitude 180 degree. Okay. Then we got last angle type, the reflex angle. So reflex angle mean using the magnitude that is between 180 degree and 360 degree. Right. So that is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, right? So those are the 5 types of angle using their magnitude, right? So those things you learn in grade 7, right? So those now you can remember, right? Then I am going to tell you the instrument, okay? Instrument used to measure angle, right? What is the instrument? What is this? Protector. Protector. Right. So this is the protector. Right. See, this is called protector. Right. So I think you have seen this type of protector. This is the protector. But you use this one. Right. You use this one. මේ බලන්න. මේ තමා protector එක. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ සම්පූර්ණ circle එකක්. හොඳට බලන්න මේ සම්පූර්ණ circle එකක්. හරිද? හොඳට බලන්න මේ මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා 0. හරි? 0. ඊට පස්සේ චූටියව මෙහෙම චූටියව 10කට බෙදලා මේ small 10 then 10 20 like that then 90 right? Like that. Then again 0, right? So that is right, divide into 360 parts. Can you see? Right, so that is divided into 360 parts. So this is the protector. Okay, this is the protector. So now you can see here, right? This is 0, right? This is 10 20 30 40, right? Like that. 90 100, like that. You can see outer circle. Okay, so but we use this one, right? එතකොට අපි use කරන්නේ මේ තිබුණු protect එකෙන් කොච්චරක්ද? half, right? We use half, right? ඔයාලා ගාව තියෙන්නේ මේකනේ, right? So this is the protector we use, but protector is actually this one, right? So name is protector. Okay, right? Then you learn this one, how to use the protector to measure the angles, right? How to use the protector to measure angles, right? Protector එක කොහොමද use කරන්නේ angle එකක් measure කරන්න මනින්න නේ, right? මේ බලන්න, this is the correct way. Okay, so this is protector, right? Protector has a small line here, right? So if you want to measure this, right, you can see colored angle. මෙන්න මේ colored angle එක මැනගන්න ඕන නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕන? protect එක හරියට ගෙනල්ලා මෙන්න මේ vertex එකේ, right? protect එකේ තියෙන පොඩි vertex එකක් මෙතන පේනවා, right? ඔයාලට right, අන්න එතනින් හරියට තියන්න ඕන, right? ඊට පස්සේ protect එකේ තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ base line එකක්. ඒ line එක මේ angle එකේ මේ තියෙන line එක කෙලින් තියන්න ඕන, right? එතකොට මේ තියෙන angle එක මැනගන්න ඕනේ නම්, right, මෙතන තියෙන magnitude එකකින් කිව්වේ, right? So protect has 2 scales, right? So here you can see 0 10 20 like that, that is inner scale. So here also 0 10 20 like that, outer scale, right? So you can read from the both scale, right? So those are degree, right? Right, then see how to measure acute angle. Okay, how to measure acute angle using the protector, right? See, this is my acute angle. Okay, this is my acute angle. Let's see, this is my acute angle. Now I want to measure this acute angle, right? මට දැන් මෙන්න මේ acute angle එක කොච්චරද කියලා degree වලින් මැනගන්නට ඕන, right? So I should keep the protector. So this is the way you have to keep the protector. මේ බලන්න, protect එකේ තියෙනවා මෙන්න මෙතන පොඩි line එකක්. right? ඒ line එක හරිද? මේ angle එකේ තියෙනවානේ මෙයාට කියන්නේ අපි vertex. right? Vertex of the angle. So that should keep this way. right? So මෙන්න මේ protect එකේ තියෙන මෙන්න මේ line එක angle එකේ මේ vertex එක ගාවට එන්න ඕන. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ මේ angle එකේ තියෙනවානේ line එකක්. right? So angle has this arm. right? ඔන්න ඔය එක arm එකක් උඩට මෙන්න මේ protect එකේ තියෙන line එක එන්න ඕන. මේකට කියන්නේ අපි protect එකේ තියෙන base line. right? You can see this is the base line. හරි මේ protect එකේ තියෙන මේ plastic ධාරය නෙමෙයි ඈ. හරිද? right. Now using this inner scale දැන් බලන්න මේ line එක තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ ඇතුලෙන් තියෙන 0 වලනේ. එතකොට මෙතන ඉඳලා තමයි කියවන්නේ. right? So this you can see this is how to read the angle. මේ line එකෙන් තමයි කියවන්නේ. okay? Then how many degree? How many degree? What is the magnitude?
50 degrees.
50 degrees. So magnitude of this acute angle is 50 degree. Yes, right? Right. So that is how to measure the acute angle, right? Using protractor, right? So I think you remember now. Then we go to how to measure obtuse angle, right? How to measure obtuse angle using the protractor, right? See, this is my obtuse angle, right? Can you see? This is my obtuse angle, right? This is the obtuse angle, right? So this is one arm, this is another arm. You know that one. Now I should keep the protractor, right? So this is the vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle. මේ තමයි angle එකේ කවුද? vertex එක. එතකොට මම protractor එකේ vertex එකක් හරියට මෙතෙන්ට ගෙනල්ලා තියන්න ඕන. මේ බලන්න. This is how to keep the protractor. නේ? protractor එකේ තියෙනවා කවුද? vertex එකක් මෙතන. right. එතකොට protractor එකේ තියෙන මෙන්න මේ base line එක මේක arm එකක් උඩට තිබ්බා. right? So now I can read this angle. right? This is the obtuse angle. So inner scale 0 here 20 like that. What is the magnitude? What is the magnitude?
130.
130. Right? See, inner scale 10, 20, 30 like that. 130 degree. So that is the magnitude of this obtuse angle. Okay, right? So in grade 7 you measured. Okay, right? Then we see how to measure a reflex angle. Okay, how to measure reflex angle using the protractor, right? So this is my reflex angle. Okay, this is my reflex angle. So this is the reflex angle. Right. So using the protractor, so we have half of protractor, you know, right? So we can't measure this type of big angle. Therefore we use one method, right? One method, right? So this one, see, I produce this arm. මෙන්න මේ arm එක මෙහාට produce කරා. right? Now this angle is what type?
Straight angle.
Type? What type?
Straight.
Straight
angle.
angle. This is straight angle. What is the magnitude?
180.
180 degree. Magnitude is 180 degree. Right? So straight angle. Now whole reflex angle means you have to measure this small angle. Okay, this small angle. So to measure this small angle we can use protractor, right? එතකොට මේ ලොකු තියෙන reflex angle එක මැනගන්න නම් මෙතනින් පටන් ගත්තොත් මෙතන ඉඳලා මෙහෙම ඇවිල්ලා මෙතෙන්ට එනකන් එන්න බෑනේ. එතකොට මෙතන ඉඳලා මෙතෙන්ට දැන් කියව ගත්තා 180. එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේ චූටි angle එක කියව ගත්තා නම් හරි. right? So to measure this small angle we can use protractor. right? Now I keep the protractor this way. Now this is my starting line. Now see, this is my starting line. Now I want to read this angle. See, this angle, this angle. So I use outer scale. දැන් බලන්න මේ line එකෙන් මම පටන් ගන්නෙ. මොකද මට ඕන මේ angle එක කියව ගන්න මේ angle එක. එතකොට outer scale 0, right, 10, 20, 30, 40 degree. So this small angle is 40 degree. Understood? Right. Now I remove the protractor and those line, right? See, now this whole angle, this angle 180 plus this small angle is 40 degree, total of 220 degree. Okay, that is one method. You can use protractor to measure reflex angle. Right. තවත් මෙතඩ් තියෙනවා නේ. මෙන්න මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන මේ ඇන්ගල් එක මෙෂර් කරලා නේ 360 වලින් අයින් කරා නම් මේ තියෙන රිෆ්ලෙක්ස් ඇන්ගල් එක ලැබෙනවා. right? ඒ වගේ මෙතඩ් ගොඩක් තිබුණා. හරි? right. So using those things, right? Using those things, right? So I am going to so question number 1, group A and group B, 90 degree should join to
right angle.
right angle. 135 degree,
Acute
135 degree, obtuse angle greater than 90, less than 180, obtuse angle. 180 degree,
Straight angle.
straight angle, yes. 250 degree, 250 degree,
Reflex angle.
that is reflex angle. Reflex, okay, greater than 180, reflex. Then 270 degree,
Reflex
200
angle.
that is also reflex angle, right? So reflex angle. Then 40 degree, that is acute angle, right? Roman number 1 is PQR angle. So this is PQR angle. How to find PQR, right? So that means this whole angle, that means straight angle. They ask magnitude. So magnitude is 180 degree. Right, good. Then who can tell the PQS angle magnitude? PQS. PQS? 60 degree. 60, right, good. See, PQS angle. See, PQS. That means this angle, right? See, PQS. PQS. Not given. Now see, this whole angle is right angle, 90 degree. This is small angle, right? 30 degree. So that means whole angle 90 degree. This is small angle 30 degree means this is small angle is 90 degree minus 30 degree. That is 90 degree minus 30 degree. So magnitude is 60 degree. Right? So I wrote how to find also. Right? This angle 60 degree. Right? Then Roman number 3, SQT angle. What is magnitude?
40 degree.
SQT?
40 degree.
SQT?
30 degree.
Wait.
30 degree.
Wait.
90 degree.
SQT. Yes. T 30 degree. Nothing to find. Okay. හරියට බලන්න. SQT 30 degree. Right? SQT 30 degree. Right. Roman number 4. PQT angle. What is?
90 degree.
90 degree. See? PQT. PQT. This angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. Right. Then Roman number 5. SQR angle.
135 degree.
Oh, no.
120 degree.
Yes.
120.
Right. Right, see. May balanda. SQR. First find where is the angle? SQR. Here S. Right? Then come along this line QR. That means this big angle. Right? SQR. This whole angle. Obtuse angle. How many degree? This angle 90, this angle 30. 90 plus 30. That is SQR angle. Okay? How to find? 90 degree plus 30 degree. Understood? 90 degree plus 30 degree, 120 degree. Right? Okay? Last one. Last one. PQR angle. What is magnitude?
90 degree. 90 degree.
90 degree. Yes, 90. Wait. TQR. Here T, then Q, then R. This angle is given 90 degree. 90 degree. Right? So that is easy to find. Okay. Right. So this is the thing in the grade 8 lesson. Right. So this is the last one. See. So first thing you have to learn is complementary angles. Okay. Complementary angles. එතකොට grade 8 වල ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බලන්න යන්නේ complementary angles කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා. Right. So please write down a small topic. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay, right. Now let's see what is this complementary angle is. Okay, right. Here, this is my one angle. Okay, so I here mark magnitude of this angle is 40 degree. Okay, magnitude of this angle 40 degree. Then I take another angle. Okay, another angle. This is my second angle. That magnitude is 50 degree. 50 degree. This magnitude 50 degree. Now you can see what is the type of this angle?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Acute angle. This angle type?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. Acute angle. That means both angles are acute angles. Okay? Both angles acute angles. Hi. Now this angle 40 degree. This angle 50 degree. Now I took sum. Remember? This angle 40 degree plus this angle 50 degree. Then I took the sum sum of these two angles that is equal to 90 degree, right? මේ angle දෙක add කරපුවාම add කරනවට අපි කියන්නේ add එක එකතුව ගන්නවට කියන්නේ sum, right? If you take the sum of these two angles that is equal to 90 degree, right? එතකොට මේ angle දෙක add කරපුවාම හම්බෙන්නේ කීයද? 90 degree. So we say sum of two angles, right? Pair of angles 90 degree. These two angles are called complementary angles, right? See, again I told you, sum of two angles 90 degree. Then these two angles are called complementary angles. හරිද? angle දෙකක් add කරපුවාම 90 degree එනවා නම් මේ angle දෙකට කියනවා මොනවා කියලාද? complementary angles. angle දෙකයි තියෙන්න ඕන. ඊට වැඩි ගාණක් තියෙන්න බෑ. right? මේ angle දෙකට තමා කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද? complementary angles. right? එතකොට ඒ angle දෙක add කරපුවාම 90 degree ලැබෙන්න ඕන. right? So we say, see, if sum of two acute angles, right? This is acute, this is acute. Then sum, addition is 90 degree. Then these two angles are called complementary angles. Okay? These two angles are called complementary angles. Understood? Two angles, 30 degree, 60 degree. Then what happens if I take the sum? 30 degree plus 60 degree, right? 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. Sum of two angles 90 degree. These two angles are called complementary angles, right? එතකොට හැමතිස්සෙම angle දෙක 40 50 30 60 එහෙම වෙන්න ඕනේ ඈ. මොකද වෙන්න ඕන? sum should be 90, right? Acute angles, then those are 90 degree, right? Now see, I'll draw another two angles. See, this is my two angles. Okay, this is one angle, this is another angle. Okay, so I put letters here, right? This one A, this vertex B, this vertex C, and this D, right? Then I mark here, this whole angle is 90 degree, right? So this one I don't know, this one also don't know, right? Now I am going to take the sum, right? Take the sum. මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකේ sum එක ගන්න යන්න, right? See, how to name this angle? How to name this angle? A, B, D. Okay? A, B, D angle. A, B, D angle. Okay? Plus, how to name this angle? D, B, C. Right? D, B, C angle. Understood? Now I took the sum. This angle A, B, D angle. This angle D, B, C angle. Right. What is the sum? මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි add කරපුවාම කීයද?
ABC.
Right, that is magnitude. Magnitude. මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි add කරනවා කියන්නේ මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක නේද ලැබෙන්නේ? නේද? මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක නේද මෙයයි මෙයයි add කරපුවාම හම්බෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ සම්පූර්ණ angle එක කොච්චරද? 90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree. Understood? 90 degree. හරිද? මේ angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි add කරපුවාම හම්බෙන්නේ මේ ලොකු angle එක. Right? That angle is 90 degree. Mark. Now see. Sum of two angles. Sum of two angles. Sum of pair of angles. Pair, you know pair, two, right? Sum of pair of angles is 90 degree. That means these two angles are complementary angles. These two complementary. දැන් මම මුලින් මොකද්ද කිව්වේ? complementary කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? angle දෙකක sum එක 90 degree. එතකොට මේ angle එක වෙනම කීයද? මේ angle එක වෙනම කීයද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ angle එකේ මේ angle එකේ sum එක 90. එතකොට කිව්වේ මොකද්ද? acute angle දෙකක sum එක 90 වෙනවා නම් මේ angle දෙක මොනවා කියලාද? complementary angles. Understood? Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
So we can say ABD angle and DBC angle are complementary angles. Okay? Complementary angles. Right. See this one? Complement of 30 degree. Right? So new word, complement. That is come from complementary. Right? So see, complement of 30 degree is how many degree? 60 degree. Okay? Complement of 30 degree is 60 degree. Right? Complement of 30 degree. Now see another one. Complement of 60 degree is how many degree?
30
Can you tell?
degree.
Complement of 60 degrees 30 degree. 30 degree. I'll write another one. Complement of 20 degree is how many degree?
70 degree.
70 degree. 70 degree. Okay. Complement of 1 degree is how many degree?
89 degree. 8 degree.
Yes, 89 degree. What is the complement? Complement means to be a 90 degree. To be 90 degree. 90 degree වෙන්න තව කොච්චරක් ඕනද? මේ complement of 30 degree. To be 90 60. 90 වෙන්න තව 60 ඕනනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ 90 වලින් මේ angle එක අයින් කරොත් ඉතුරු වෙන ගාන තමයි කවුද? මෙයාගේ complement. නේද? 90 වෙන්න තව කොච්චරක් ඕනද? Complement of 60. 90 minus 60 30 degree. Complement of 20 degree. 90 minus 20 70 degree. Complement of 1 degree 90 minus 1, 89 degree. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So I'll write another one. Nah? See, I want to know complement of A B C angle. Who can tell me? Complement of ABC angle.
90 degree.
No. No. දැන් මම මේව ආපු විදිය කිව්වා.
ABC,
No. මේ
ABC and DBC.
we don't know figure. We only know ABC. අපි දන්නේ ABC විතරයි. මේක ආවේ කොහමද? මේ 60 ආවේ කොහමද?
Subtracting 30 degrees from 90 degrees.
90 degree minus 30. See here. මේක ආවේ 90 degree minus 30 degree. 30. How to get 30? 90 degree minus 60 degree. Okay. How to get the 70? Complement of 20? 90 degree minus 20 degree.
20.
What is the complement of ABC angle?
No angle.
Huh? Can't tell.
90 degree minus ABC.
Yes, very good. 90 degree minus ABC angle. Right? That is the answer. Complement of ABC angle is 90 degree minus ABC angle. We can't simplify. Okay? We can't simplify. So we have to write 90 degree minus ABC angle. That is the complement of ABC angle. Right. Now listen. Question number 4. Roman number 1. First one. Complement of 50 degrees. What is? Complement of 50 degrees.
40 degrees.
40 degree. 40 degree. Roman number 2. First one. Complement of 70 degrees.
20 degrees.
20 degree. 20 degree. Roman number 3. Complement of 1 degrees.
89 degrees.
89 degree. Yeah, we did. Roman number 4. Complement of 20 degrees.
70 degrees.
70 degree.
Right? 36 plus 54. How to tell? 36 is XYZ. Right? XYZ angle and KLM angle.
KLM.
KLM angle. This is another pair of complementary angles. Right? Is there any two angles? Any two angles? Right. See, next one is this one. Now we saw what is complementary angles. Right? Sum of two angles 90 degree. Right. Now next part is this one. Supplementary angles. Right? Next one is supplementary angles. Right. Write this small topic. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Right. Right. Now see what is supplementary angles are. Right. See, this is my one angle. Okay. This is my one angle. This angle magnitude I will mark as 30 degree. Okay. This one 30 degree. Then I took another angle here. This is my another angle, second angle. That magnitude is 150 degree. Okay. This one 30 degree. This one 150 degree. Now I am going to take the sum. May dennage sum එක. 30 degree plus 150 degree. 30 degree plus 150 degree equal to how many degree? How many degree?
180 degree.
180 degree. 180 degree. Now we say sum of two angles. Sum of two angles 180 degree. These two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay? මේ බලන්න angle දෙකක මේ sum එක. angle දෙකක sum එක. angle දෙකක් add කරපුවාම 180 එනවා නම් අපි මේ angle දෙකට කියනවා මොනවා කියලාද? Supplementary angles. Right? So we say that, see, if sum of pair of angles, pair two, okay, pair of angles is 180 degree, then we say pair of angles are supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary. So now don't mix complementary and supplementary. Hari, complementary supplementary මාරු කරගන්න නම් බෑ. හරිද? දෙකම නිකන් එක වගේ. ඒතර මතක තියාගන්න වෙනවා complementary 90, supplementary 180 degree. Understood? Please write down supplementary angles. So this is my two angles. See, this is my one angle. Right? So I name that. What is?
මේක ලියා ගන්න බැරි.
So see, this is my one angle. Okay? This is my one angle. So I name that this one A, this vertex B, this vertex C. Okay? I don't know magnitude. Then I produce this side this way. This is my D point. This is my another angle. Okay? This is straight line. Okay? Straight line. Now I am going to take this small angle and this angle. Sum. See? This angle A, B, C angle. A, B, C angle. I am going to take the sum. This angle C, B, D angle. C, B, D angle. Okay? ABC angle means this is small angle. CBD angle means this angle. Sum is this whole angle. What is the magnitude?
ABD.
I want the magnitude. How many degree?
180 degree.
180 degree. Why? This whole angle is a straight angle. Right? Addition of this small angle and this small angle 180 degree. දැන් බලන්න angle දෙකක් නේ මෙයයි two angles. angle දෙකක් add කරපුවාම 180 degree. එතකොට අපි කිව්ව මොකද්ද? sum of two angles 180 degree mean these two angles are supplementary angles. Right? මතකද? angle දෙකක් add කරපුවාම 180 එනවා නම් මේ angle දෙකට කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද? supplementary angles. එතකොට මේ angle එක වෙනම මේ angle එක වෙනම කීයද කියලා දන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේ angle දෙකේ sum එක ගත්තාම 180 degree. Okay? Therefore we say ABC angle and CBD angle are what? Supplementary. Right? Supplementary angles. Okay? Remember? This is here. Supplementary angles. Understood? Now see this one. Now supplement. Supplement of 80 degree is how many degree?
100 degrees.
100 degree. Now you know complement, right? Supplement means to be 180. So 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. That is we call supplement of 80 degree is 100 degree, right? So what is supplement of 100 degree?
80 degrees.
80 degree. 80 degree. 180 degree minus 100. What is supplement of 1 degree?
179 degrees.
179 degree. So if I ask this type of one, what is supplement of PQR angle?
180 minus PQR.
Understood? Supplement කියන්නේ 180 යන්නනේ. එහෙනම් supplement of PQR is 180 degree minus PQR angle. නේ ඔන්න bracket එකක් දාලා. Understood? Another one I say small one. Supplement of x degree. Supplement of x degree. How many?
180 degree minus x degree.
අනිතර තේරෙනවද? Supplement of x degree 180 degree minus x degree. නේද? මේවා හොයාගත්තා නම් හරියටම වැලියු එක කිව්වා යකිනේ. 180 degree minus 80. Right? Right? Question number 4. Roman number 1. Second one. Supplement of 50 degrees.
130 degrees.
130 degree. Right? 180 minus 50. 130 degree. Okay? Roman number 2. Second one. The supplement of 70 degrees.
110 degree.
110 degree. 110 degree. Roman number 3. Second. Supplement of 1 degree is
179 degrees.
179 degree. Here also I did. Roman number 4. Second one. The supplement of 10 degrees.
170 degrees.
170 degree. 170 degree. Question number 5. Roman number 2. Select and write down the pair of supplementary angles. Right, see. Tell me one pair.
PQR, MNL.
100, 150 and 30 degree. Okay. Then how to tell? 150 is PQR angle. Then you can write PQR angle and another 30 is MNL. Right? MNL angle. Right. So that is one pair. Is there any other pairs?
Yes, sir. DEF and ABC.
Yes.
DEF and ABC.
Yes, good. DEF 105. Then you get 75, 150. 80. Then you can tell ABC angle and 105 is DEF, right? DEF angle, right? That's all. That's all. Is that all? Do the figure here, right? Question number 6. Roman number 1. Okay, see, Roman number 1. Question is, what is the sum of QOR angle? So I write here QOR angle. See, QOR angle. This is the QOR angle. That is 30 degree. Plus, they are sum. Okay, sum. ROS angle. ROS angle. See, ROS angle. That is 60 degree plus 60 degree. Then question asks what? Sum of. Sum is addition, right? So QOR angle 30 degree, ROS angle 60 degree. Then sum is 90 degree, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Roman number 2. Roman number 2. That one asks, see, what is the complement of QOR angle? See, QOR, this one, right? What is the complement of this angle?
30 degree.
What is the complement of QOR angle? මෙන්න මේ angle එකේ complement කවුද?
60 degree.
ඒක තමයි ඔයාලගේ වැරද්ද. මේ බලන්න. 30 degree වල complement කවුද? Complement of 30 degree 60 degree. Complement of QOR angle මෙයාගේ complement කවුද? ROS angle. Understood? Complement of QOR angle is ROS angle. නේ? ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ magnitude එකෙන් යවුවොත් magnitude එකෙන් කියන්න ඕන. මේ වගේ letters වලින් angle එක දුන්නොත් එතකොට letters වලින් කියන්න ඕන. ඒ අපි දන්නවා මේ දෙන්න add කරපුවාම 90. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයාගේ complement මෙයා. නේ? මෙයාගේ complement මෙයා. Alright? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? Right. Roman number 3. Roman number 3. What is the magnitude of POS angle? See, Roman number 3 asks POS angle. Where is P? POS. POS angle means this whole angle. Right? This whole angle. 60 plus 30 plus 20. How many degree?
110 degree.
100.
110
110 means POS. This big angle. Right? 110 degree. Right. Roman number 4. Roman number 4. What is the sum of sum? You know sum is addition. What are the two angles? POS angle. So POS we found 110 degree. Sum is addition. What is the next angle? SOT. SOT angle. Where is SOT? SOT T angle. That magnitude is 70 degree. This one 70 degree. Sum 110 plus 70 degree 180 degree. Okay. Answer is 180 degree. Right? Roman number 5. What is the Roman number 5? What is the supplement of SOT angle? Right? See here. SOT angle plus POS angle 180. They ask what is the supplement of SOT angle? What is?
POS.
POS angle. නේ angle එකකින් ඇහුවොත් angle එකකින් කියන්න වෙනවා. එහෙනම් supplement of SOT angle POS angle. Right? Making ඇහුවා නම් කොහමද? Supplement of 70 degree you can tell 110 degree. Right? Good. Roman number 6. Roman number 6. What is the question? What is the complement of SOT angle? See, SOT 70. What is complement? SOT?
20 degrees.
No.
10 degrees.
No.
POQ degree.
Yes. මේ 70 වලට 90 වෙන්නේ මෙයා ඇඩ් කරොත් නේද? හැබැයි අහන්නේ කවුද? SOT. You can answer POQ. Right? That is the complement. POQ angle. Right? Right. Question number 7. Right? See, this is the figure. Then say, write two pairs. Pairs mean two angles. Two pairs means you have to write two pairs of angle. ඒ කියන්නේ pair එකක් කියන්නේ දෙකක්. ඒවා දෙකක් ලියන්න වෙනවා. නේද? Right. Now let's see. Complementary angles. Complementary කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Sum of two angles 90 degree. Right? See, degree is not given. See, this angle, right? This is small angle and this is small angle. Right? Sum of these two angles 90 degree. Understood? Early we did. මේ තියෙන angle එකයි මේ angle එකයි add කරපුවාම කීයද? 90. හැබැයි මෙයාව කොච්චරද කියලා වෙනම දන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Then we can tell this angle and this angle are complementary angles. Right? So you can use this PQRS letters. Okay? How to use this? Write this angle S P R. Right? So you can write one pair S P R angle and right this angle and this angle. How to write this angle? R P Q. R P Q angle. One pair. You have to write another pair. Two pairs. What is another pair? This one. See? This angle and this angle. Right? Sum of these two angles 90 degree. Complementary. Write this angle. S R P angle. S R P angle and this angle you can name Q R P angle. Q R P angle. You have to write the angle symbol. These are the two pair of complementary angles. Right? Complementary angles. Right. Let's see, I'll tell answers. So this is figure. So they say straight lines PQ, right, and RS intersect at O. This point is O, right? So in the figure, O is not there. So you have to mark this point is O, capital O. Then they give this magnitude 70 degree, 70 degree, this one 110, this one 110. I want to write pair of supplementary angles. Pair of supplementary angle. That means sum of two angles should be 180. See, 70 plus 110, 70 plus 110, 180 degree. You can write these two pair. These two pair. How? This one how to name? R O P. 70 110 හරියන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙනම් ලියන්න කොහොමද? R O P angle. Right? R O P angle and this one. This is P O S angle. P O S angle. One pair. Right? Then go to this one 70 and this 110. 70 and 110. This angle and this angle 180. This angle ROP, right? ROP angle and this angle how to name? ROQ angle. ROQ angle. Another pair. Right. Now using this one, we wrote two pairs. Now go to this one. 70. 70 plus 110, 180. This angle and this angle. Okay. You can write POS. This one. POS angle and this one. QOS. QOS angle. Okay. Then this 70 and this 110. Right. 180. This one ROQ. ROQ angle and this one QOS. QOS angle. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pairs. 4 pairs of supplementary